I got a big old skillet of cabbage and kielbasa cooking. I'm putting the lid back on. I think I'm going to make some cornbread to go with it. And I'll plate it up once Eric gets off work and show y'all how he likes it. Got the brown beans on simmering. Getting ready to mix up the cornbread and get it baked. Okay, cornbread ready to go in the oven. Okay, my sweet Eric got in from work. I fixed him some cornbread, pinto beans, and some kielbasa and fried cabbage. Now he's going to taste test it.
Let's see. Get some of that. Oh, come here, cabbage. All right. Oh, man. Well, that cabbage is good. All right, time for some beans. Those are good. This is the cornbread I like, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
That's all good.
So another meal, another success for my sweet Eric. Thank y'all for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope y'all have a blessed day, and we love y'all.